seatbelts, GR badge. Ang ganda! So today's a big day for us. Hilux GRS.
We are on our way to the bank. I just need to sign some documents and then we'll see how this goes.
Hi!
Lunch muna.
Lunch muna. Para di ako mahimatay mamaya.
Mahimatay. We just finished eating lunch. A little bit of a lunch break because we're still waiting for some documents before we go to the dealership. For now, we are going to be looking for some coffee. And then... Kape. And then we'll just wait. Play the waiting game. B, this is it, B.
This is it. So we're here.
We're here in the dealership na. It was supposed to be yesterday, but they were waiting for some documents, like the authority to deliver. So, hindi na nahabol. So we're here today early in the morning. It's 9:50. It's not very early. It's 9:51. And we're just waiting for the agent, and then I'm gonna be signing some documents. We've been waiting so long for this.
This is my dream car. Eto na guys.
Hindi ba yung Wigo? Ba't walang ribbon?
Ha?
Uy!
Hindi. Ano lang yan? Lilipat lang.
Ha?
Lilipat lang yung ribbon.
Gilipat.
After a year guys, abangan nyo yung vlog. Set up ko yung Hilux. After 1 year, I'll enjoy it as stock muna. Baka yung gulong. Kasi may gulong ako, 285-70-17 na BF Goodrich. So, palitan ko na lang. I-vlog ko din yun. Para, may idea ko. Hindi ko papalitan yung shocks. Lalagyan ko lang leveling kit. Tapos, yung 285-70-17. Of course, may body mount shock din yun. Kasi, para may clearance yung pagliko-liko. And then, spacer. Para pumantay sa fenders yung gulong. Para hindi siya awkward na malaki yung gulong tapos sa loob. So, gusto natin yung pantay lang. So, lagyan natin ng 25mm na Mr. Offset na spacer. Tapos yun na. For 1 year or 2 years. And then, full setup natin after.
Dito kami sa releasing na room. We're just waiting for the papers. And, yun lang. Kung ako tatanungin guys, gusto ko sana talaga yung two-tone. Yung white and black. Kaso sabi ni Iggy na pangit daw. Hindi naman pangit.
Hindi pangit? Gusto ko rin yun.
Yeah, hindi pangit.
Maraming naka-white.
Yeah. Like, lahat ng nakikita naming GR Sport sa daan, white sila. So, gusto namin yung black kasi, parang maging all black siya. Kasi yung fenders niya, black. Tapos, di ba, like, it's mostly black.
Yeah. Kaya problema sa black, mahirap i-maintain. Pero, kaya lang naman. Papaceramic ko siya. Di namin afford yung paint protection film.
Ang mahal ng PPF kasi parang nasa mga 150K.
Or more. Depende sa brand.
Tapos yung ceramic, super cheap.
Nasa 23,000 lang. I mean, mahal na yun for a ceramic coating. Pero yung brand kasi parang G-Technic ata. So, okay yun. Medyo pricey siya pero okay siya. I mean, yun yung pinalagay namin sa Terra. So, maganda. Hanggang ngayon,
Oh. Tapos ano siya, GR Sport na siya ngayon. Hindi siya GRS dahil pina-recall nila yung ang tawag doon?
Yung GRS. Oo.
Ay.
Tinanggal yung GRS.
Oo nga, kasi tinanggal nila yung
GR
ano,
Sport.
yung sports bar.
Sports bar sa likod.
Sa likod.
Hindi ko...
Well,
hindi
it's
siya
not a loss
100%
kasi
sure.
kasi well, they're saying na temporarily recalled lang daw yun. But I don't mind kasi hindi ko naman din gusto yun kasi para siyang ano, parang shark. and I can't explain it, but I don't like the sports bar. So ngayon, ano lang, empty, hindi naman empty, but wala yun yung thingy sa likod na parang nagpo-protrude. So, ayun. Tapos, ang freebies, meron kaming free na visor na GR Sport.
May
GR Sport,
3M
GRS.
GR,
whatever. GR, tapos may 3M tint din na free, but it's not yet attached now, so we're gonna oh yeah, we're gonna come back for the installation.
Yep. So may free tint na. Hindi na ako magpapatint.
Sure ka?
Gusto ko sana yung Steck.
Steck or S-Tech?
Steck. Same. Pero
Meron
3M yung free nila dito eh. So yung
yeah.
3M tint, maganda din yun eh.
Yeah.
So
we're just gonna make use of that for now. And then later on, pag parang ano na, feel na namin mag-upgrade, then we're gonna go with the S-Tech na tent.
Hi guys.
Tamaraw.
Actually, wow, ang daming kotse. Actually, ito sana kukunin namin for
Business.
Karga-karga, business. Pero gusto ko yung Hilux. Sabi ni JP yung ano dito, yung agent. Gusto daw niya, may possibility daw na mag-release ng 4x4 kasi ang dami naghahanap. But I doubt. Kasi may 4x4 na Hilux J ata yun. So, ewan ko, nakalimutan ko yung explanation ng kaibigan ko. Pero seat siya, parang naka-semi bucket seat. So parang kang naka-Recaro.
Ano yung bucket seat?
Ganito. Para siyang parang racing seats ba? Bucket seat pero comfy. Kasi yung bucket seat, yung pure, yung racing talaga, hindi siya comfy. Eto, of course, comfy talaga. Kasi ano eh.
Eto na guys!
Para akong nag-drive ng ano.
Ano?
Di ako marunong mag-drive. Oh! God. Agay. Ganda. Rar.
Ito guys, I'll show you my most favorite feature. Ito lang, this is all that matters to me. And the reason why is because gusto ko ng kape. Meron pang another dito. And then here we have a cooler. Hala, talagang cold siya.
Cold? No.
Pwede na pang Coke Zero. Pwede na pang Coke Zero ko. And then, glove box. Naninibago pa ako sa ano,
Oo.
dashboard.
Kahit sa driving niya, different than the Nissan Terra. Pero maganda siya.
Tapos, ito, red yung mga seatbelt. And then, excuse me.
Sorry.
Yan. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. CarPlay. Wireless. Oh my. Kasi guys, yung
Yun
Terra.
lang yung reason why na nagustuhan niya yung...
Yeah,
kasi
eto lang.
ayaw niya. Compared to Ford Raptor, sa loob, sobrang ganda. As in, sobrang ganda yung ride, sobrang ganda. Eto, yun lang yung nagustuhan.
So, Guys, ayaw ko talaga nito eh. Kaso sabi niya may wireless CarPlay. And then yung Terra namin dati, sabi nila merong wireless CarPlay. Pero
Scam yun, scam.
Scam pala yun.
Pero right now, I think meron na. Not
Yeah,
sure,
I
pero
think-
I think meron.
I don't know what happened there, but they're
Power
saying...
mode? Wow! Di na kailangang i-remap.
Anyway, I was saying na gustong-gusto ko yung Apple CarPlay na wireless kasi ayaw ko mag-deal with ng mga cable. So, yes!
Gustuhan ko din to guys kasi telescopic siya. Tapos may up and down. Hindi ko familiar kung anong tawag dun. Pero ano siya, ma-front, ma-forward ko siya dito. Tapos ma-up and down ko siya.
Telescopic na.
Yung Terra, up down lang, yun lang.
May ganun pa oh. Passenger airbag.
Terra
Oh.
ko lang mag-part.
Okay, kunin muna namin yung ano.
Yung Terra.
Kunin muna namin yung Terra. So, I'm gonna drive the Terra. Kasi ayaw ko ayaw ko magasgas yung bagong
Sino
car.
nagsabing matagtag to? Hindi siya matagtag.
So, I'm gonna drive this car for now. And he is over there. And we'll bring this home. And then we're gonna go and roam around the city with the new car.
There!
Human na.
Hindi natin ito kailangan guys. Paddle shifters. Ganda oh. Paddle shifters. Tapos meron tayong video din eh. Power mode. May eco mode tayo. And then we have the 4x4 here. Pedals. Seat belts. GR badge. Ang ganda! Yun sa nagustuhan ko dito guys. Yung manual, yung eto, yung handbrake. Mas gusto ko to kaysa electronic handbrake. Mas safe, mas reliable yung manual handbrake.
So, tagtag ba talaga?
Matagtag. Akala
So,
ko
you
hindi.
take it back.
I take it back. From driving SUV tapos naka-jaws suspension, matagtag to. Yung stock niya. So, yung plan namin dito soon, mga 1 year plus, I mean, masasanay rin kami dito. So, mga 1 year plus siguro, baka MT-64 and parabolic lift spring para tanggal yung tagtag. Mas maganda na yung ride niya. Wala siyang lumbar support. Unlike sa Terra or other units. Meron. Ito wala. Pero, sobrang comfy niya. Actually, gustong-gusto ko siya upuan. Matagtag nga lang yung kotse.
Can confirm, kinda bumpy yung ride niya. Hindi, obviously, hindi same sa Terra kasi yun, naka-jaws yun na suspension. So, ang ganda ng ride nun. Eto, hindi masyado. Pero okay lang kasi maganda yung sasakyan.
Yeah. Siguro palitan natin ng Old Man Emu na MT-64 and then parabolic leaf spring.
Leaf
Leaf
spring.
spring. So, tanggal yung tagtag niya. But di ko pa na-try. Pero sabi nila daw. Yun yung perfect. Isa din sa mga maganda. Check natin sa labas. Let's go!
Wala pa kaming tint, guys. So, parang nakakaya.
Wala pang tint.
Parang glass lang talaga, no? So, makikita natin lahat ng tao. And yung mga tao, makikita din kami.
Tagal pa yung free tint daw. Baka ipapatint ko na lang.
Oo, kasi hindi pa available yung free na tint, yung 3M na tint.
Gusto ko na ipatint, guys. Kasi ayaw kong ikot-ikot tapos makikita kami sa loob.
So, yung reason na pinili namin yung Hilux na GR Sport over other options ng pickup kasi, of course, durability, diba? So, we actually... Reliability, yeah. We actually went and viewed the Ford Raptor, yes. And although ang ganda ng technology nun,
ang ganda, sobra.
Yes, I won't deny super ganda ng technology, and I'm a tech person, so I was actually considering that as our first option. But then we talked it over, and then we did agree that yung Toyota talaga, alam mong...
Actually, ayaw niya sa GRS. Kasi mas gusto niya yung Ford. Kasi pagpasok namin sa Ford, sobrang ganda, as in super comfy,
aesthetics and tech,
and then yung tech niya sa loob, grabe, like amazing talaga siya. And then naka coil spring, so comfortable yung ride. Naka coil spring siya, and then eto naka leaf spring, so kahit na maganda yung shocks niya, yung KYB yung stock shocks niya, kahit na maganda siya, matagtag siya.
Oh, I will admit that it's kind of bumpy, but it's not too much naman. It's not like it's really intolerable. Okay naman siya. But you know, iba talaga if hindi leaf spring ata.
Yeah, yung unlike nung Navara namin before. Comfy siya kasi naka-coil spring siya. But eto is built for loading talaga eh. Built for ano siya, parang for kargahan,
carrying heavy stuff. And yun lang, hindi, I will say that it's not the most high-tech. Even yung CarPlay niya, sometimes when I pause it takes like 2 seconds to actually pause the music.
Actually, yung tech niya, mas better pa yung Nissan. Kasi mas responsive.
True.
Yung kahit pause or ano, i-click mo sa Nissan, like Terra or Navara, mas responsive siya, mabilis. Kahit yung locking and unlocking system ng car, yung sa Nissan, one click and then automatic lock. Ito parang kailangan twice mong i-click para lang.
And then I maybe it's just a personal preference, but when we go out of the car, like pag i-open niya yung main or like yung driver side, yung other doors, they don't open automatically. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you have to, like, when he's going out of the car, he has to actually go and like manually unlock all the doors. I don't know, it's just kind of a hassle. But maybe I guess like if safety is your priority, then I guess that's fine. But I think just sometimes it kind of takes, you know, an extra amount of time to get out and get your stuff and all of that.
Yeah, prefer namin yung Toyota Hilux kasi one reason din is ang daming parts. Like ang daming aftermarket parts, like you have all the, like kahit anong brands, yung options mo sa mags down to like shocks and all, like kompleto. So parang naisipan ko after a year or 2 or less than a year, depende pa, ipapalitan ko naman siya ng shocks. So ano, parang may way na magiging comfortable yung Hilux. So yun, Ken's Garage tayo, magsiset up soon. So sila na bahala kung ano yung best for us.
And I'm also happy na black yung kinuha namin kasi hindi mo mahalata na maliit yung tires kahit stock siya.
Yeah.
Kasi black yung fenders, black yung tires obviously, and then black yung body niya. So parang it kinda it pulls it all together. And then I like na ito yung parang yung tawag dito. Basta ito, black siya. Yung tire kasi namin kahit tire sport siya, tawag nila black edition or something like that. Hindi black yung ganito niya. So, eto, I like na black siya. Tapos yung mga little details, mga, like, everything is black. Yeah. Kahit sa labas, yung mga emblems niya, it's all black. So, I love it.
Yeah.
And then marami na kasing naka-white. Tapos yung red parang Coke Zero, so ayaw.
Yung first upgrade namin siguro is number 1, ceramic. Papa-ceramic coating ko siya. Siguro next week. And then, tint. Di pa kami nakapalagay ng tint kasi
Waiting pa ng
waiting yung 3M, pero siguro idediretso ko na lang siya sa Stek. S-Tech or Stek. Pero maganda yung brand na yun. So, direction, ceramic, tapos tint. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng PPF sa likod kasi may dogs kami. Tapos, nag-ano yung
kasi
mga dogs.
sa
Nagja-jump
Navarra
jumps.
namin, yung mga nails nila, makikita mo talaga yung mga scratches sa gilid ng
Yeah.
ng
So, di naman pwede na pagalitan ko sila. So, okay lang.
Oo.
Pero, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng paint
PPF.
protection film para lang sa mga iwas, to prevent scratches.
Oo, bumili na nga ako ng pet ladder, so
Pet
ready
ladder.
na.
So, siguro afternoon, probably tires. Tires tapos leveling kit sa front lang to level out. Tapos tires and then Mr. Offset para lang mapantay sa fenders yung tires. Siguro yun lang muna kasi okay yung shocks niya. Yung yung leaf spring siguro yun yung I think yun yung cause ng tagtag dahil matagtag siya. I think yun. And then baka a year siguro MT64 na Old Man Emu. And then parabolic nga lift springs. Yun lang. After nun, goods na. I-vlog namin yun. So, wala ako masyadong nakikitang nagpo-post ng review sa ang daming nagpalagay ng MT64 sa GRS pero walang nagpo-post ng review. So, hopefully, makapag-post tayo and then pag-review natin yun off-road and on-road. So, try natin yung light lang.
Yeah, super happy kami kasi ito yung first na 4x4 namin na sasakyan.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko naman papayagang ito-trail ng matindi.
Hindi, wag. Yung
Pero,
lang, light trail lang.
Oo.
Light trail lang. Yung mga may challenge naman. Pero hindi yung parang paglabas mo, may gas-gas talaga.
Oo.
Light trail lang.
Oo. Yun lang. Tapos so far, what do you think? Like, ano yung reviews mo so
Review
far?
so far, dream car ko to eh. So,
Bias
sobrang
Bias na
bias
talaga.
na siya. Sobrang happy ko. Pero, when it comes to ride, pag ayaw nyo matagtag na kotse, wag talaga yung Hilux. Ang tagtag talaga. Akala ko, parang, never pa ako nakapag-drive ng Hilux. So,
Oo.
first time ever, from Terra, na naka-Jaos, na naka-set up siya, and then naka 6-ply na tires. Sobrang layo ng ride. As in, sobrang layo. Kanina, may pinuntahan ako, yung Terra ginamit ko. As in, na-appreciate ko yung Terra kasi ang smooth, tas parang wala. Like, para ka lang, wala lang.
Yun.
Super
So,
smooth. Eto, super,
in short, smooth
Yeah.
siya. Yung Terra compared to this one.
Yeah.
But, and then yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, hindi masyadong maganda yung tech. Tignan mo nga tong camera. Compared, I mean, we'll compare it to the Terra kasi yun yung other car namin. So, super ganda nung cameras noon, yung 360 niya. Super like, parang accurate talaga. Ito, you can't really rely on it. I mean, you still have to look at the side mirrors and rear view mirror.
Yeah.
So, yun lang.
Pero
So,
yung-
tech-wise, it's not the best, I will admit.
Pero yung whole car,
Yung whole car, maganda. Yung aesthetics niya sa labas,
Super
super ganda.
reliable.
Kahit sa loob, obviously, maganda siya. Super sleek, super elegant. Yun lang, yung ride, hindi masyadong smooth. And then, yun lang yung cons niya actually. But in terms of durability, you can rely on Toyota talaga. So, yun yung priority namin above all else.
so probably siguro mag-vlog din kami after mga siguro 10,000 kilometers after
Yeah, like
reviews
after 1 month of use or 10
No, I think 10,000.
sorry.
10,000.
After 10,000 kilometers na mileage.
anong nag-iba,
Yes. So yun lang guys. Yun lang.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon.